let's go in and cook with these and see how they do. So I want to see if this is truly nonstick, so I didn't use any oil or butter. This is just eggs and a few other ingredients. So let's see how it works.
For chilaquiles, add tortilla chips to a medium heat pan. Add pico de gallo or red salsa. Then I'll add eggs I've whisked, topped with green onions, chives, and a little bit of jack cheese. Cover and cook over medium heat until the eggs have set and the cheese is melted.
So again, I cooked this without any oil. So we can see, yes, that egg comes up nicely. Most of the bottom of this is egg. Looks like it's cooked all the way through. So far, so good. Now I want to see how that saucepan works.
The butter melts nicely over medium heat, whisking in heavy cream and melted chocolate.
As I was saying earlier, we've used a lot of Imarku's products, and we like the quality and the utility of them. And I would say that this pot and pan set falls into that and is consistent with that, and I'd highly recommend it.